Yo guys, welcome back with me, Kenwilboy. In this video, we're going to talk about best broker for trading gold in 2025. This is the absolute best if you like to trade gold or XAU USD. I think you must use this broker. This is the best out of hundreds of brokers out there. I've already compared it all. My name is Kenwilboy. I'm the founder of Fortune Markets and also a professional trader with over 10 years of experience. Okay, let's begin. So this broker, I'm gonna tell you straight to the point. This broker is called Fortune Markets. Why is this broker the best? Let me tell you something first. For me to choose a broker, I need to check the cost of trading, the spreads, of course, the trading fees, is it low or high? Secondly, I need to check the security of the fund, like the regulation, the global presence. If a broker is like unknown and a little bit sketchy, I've never heard about it, I'm going to stay away with it. And third, I need to check on the leverage. How much leverage do you use? Especially if you trade with smaller accounts or smaller amounts. Of course, you need to check about the leverage, because with higher leverage, you can trade bigger amounts with smaller amount of your own money. You need smaller capital or margin, basically. And Fortune Markets tick all the boxes. First, I'm going to tell you about the unlimited leverage first, because this is like a exclusive feature only on Fortune Markets. There is not a lot of brokers offer this unlimited leverage like this. I only know a few brokers that offer unlimited leverage, and Fortune Markets is one of them. And between those unlimited leverage brokers, Fortune Market has the lowest spreads. So I'm going to pick Fortune Markets compared to other unlimited leverage broker because they have lower spreads. Okay, about leverage first. Why is leverage important? You need to know how leverage works. Leverage enables you to trade bigger amounts with smaller amount of capital or margin or your own money. So you only need to deposit small amount of money, but you can trade big amount. This is a very good representation of leverage. In this picture is 1 to 50. So with $200, you can trade $10,000 worth of assets. Any assets, gold or forex, but in this case gold, because gold is one of the most popular asset to be traded in the world, and also asset with the highest market capitalization in the world. So gold has one of the highest volume in daily trading volume. Also, gold has the highest market cap out of any asset in the world. So a lot of people are buying gold, buying and selling, both ways. And gold has been used for thousands of years. If you check the history books, gold is always valuable since the beginning of time. Okay, let's begin. So leverage, one lot of gold is actually, as you can see here, one lot of gold is actually around $300,000 in value. So it's big. But with a huge leverage or high leverage, you don't need that kind of money to trade one lot of gold. You don't need the full amount, 300,000. Of course, who trade with 300,000? Like only very few people trade with $300,000 in their trading account. But don't worry, with Fortune Markets unlimited leverage is actually 10,000 here, 10,000. You can see, I've typed in the calculator here, 300,000 divided by 10,000 equals 30. So with $30 in your trading account, you can trade one lot of gold, which is huge. One lot of gold is like 5 kilograms of gold in today's prices, 2025. 5 kilograms, that's heavy gold. Imagine like having a gold jewelries or gold bars. 5 kilograms is is a big chunk of gold. But you can buy all that chunk or sell whatever with just $30. That's how leverage works. So I think for a broker to be called good, it needs to have high maximum leverage. Well, depends on how you trade, okay? With higher leverage, of course, it comes with more risk, but you can gain more profit. With lower leverage, you got lower risk, but lower profit. So there are two types of traders. The low risk trader and the high risk trader. Depends on what kind of trader are you. So, but it's a good thing if a platform offers very high maximum leverage like Fortune Markets, unlimited leverage. It means that both traders could trade here. Either you're a low risk trader or high risk trader, both of you can trade here in Fortune Markets. As you can see here, unlimited leverage. So yeah, Fortune Markets got unlimited leverage, the highest in the world. And about global presence, you can check all over YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever social media, websites. Type in Fortune Markets and you will get tons of reviews about Fortune Markets out there. They're a very reputable and credible company, so you don't need to worry about withdrawal and everything. They process withdrawal very fast, instant. And the spreads, how about the fees, trading fees? They're very competitive with their spreads, one of the lowest in the world. You can check it here. They don't charge any extra commission or overnight fees, just spreads, and the spreads is very thin, so it's like negligible. You basically trade for almost free, okay? And also they have a huge amount of tradable instruments, so you can trade anything basically: forex, gold, cryptos, index, stock index like the Nasdaq or the Dow Jones. Yeah, you can trade it all here, no problem. And they also got education and signals. Yep, education and signals, and their signals is actually pretty good, okay? Because here at Fortune Markets we have like a good analyst team. We have a professional analyst team, and you can get signals from our team for free. Link down below on our Telegram. We got a good signal provider, analysts, because we only hire the best, of course, obviously. So if you want to start trading, or you're looking for a broker to trade gold in 2025 or maybe 2026 or next year, I think Fortune Markets is a good option for you to try. Don't worry, this broker is safe, low cost, very high leverage, up to unlimited leverage. So you got everything you need here in Fortune Market. And around the world, thousands and thousands, I think now currently almost 1 million traders have used Fortune Markets as their trading platform. Almost 1 million traders, imagine that. So we're growing very fast, one of the fastest growing Forex brokers in the world. Not only Forex, but we offer Forex, crypto, gold if you want to trade gold. We're one of the fastest growing broker in the world. So give it a shot and let me know what you think about Fortune Markets compared to other brokers. Please comment down below, don't hesitate. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and peace out.